Ayan, good morning mga idol at mga kababayan. Um, Shoutout po sa ating mga followers dyan. Sarado. So, ayun nga mga idol at shoutout sa ating sponsor dyan, yung Royal Beach Club. Ayan. Ngayon, awit naman tayo mga idol. Ikaw ka Mauro, awit ka ng awit yan. Hindi mo naman kaya yung mga matataas. Kaya ito, sa mababa lang muna tayo mga idol. Kaya, huwag natin patagalin. You've got a friend. When you're down and trouble and you need a helping hand, and nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name when you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, baby, see you again. Winter time, spring or fall, all you got to do is call, when I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. Kapag kasi mababa na nga, hindi mo pa rin madali. If the sky above me to turn dark and full of clouds, got all north winds to begin to blow. Keep your head together, call my name out loud. Don't I be knocking upon your door? You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running. Oh yes, I will to see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, yeah. All you got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's good to know that you got a friend. People can be so cold, they hurt you and desert you. When they take your soul if you let them. Oh yeah, but don't you let highway. Got a friend. You got a friend. Yeah. Good to know you got a friend. Ayan, idol. Kala ko madali lang kantayin ito mga idol. Kahirap. Salamat at nakaraos. Kahit na mali-mali. Hanggang sa muli mga idol.